Hey everybody, it's Ryan. Welcome back to How Farms Work. Today we are going to go ahead and start raking and baling all of the first crop hay. Luckily we did not get any rain last night. Seems like Moses split the rainstorm into two pieces and went right around us yesterday. So luckily we can get our hay made today. So we just hooked up the Rhino RDF14 wheel rake, and we're about to head out to first this top field up here at the main farm. Then I'm going to head out to the pasture, get those 4 patches done, and then head out to my place and do the hay out there. So let's get started, shall we? we just got done baling hay. Now we're going to head back over to the farm, and we are going to, I'm going to go hook up to the bale mover, and I'm going to take it back over to Rockville, and we're going to haul in about 2 loads worth of bales into the buildings and put them in the shed, because they are calling for rain tonight. Being as that is really good quality hay, we don't want it to get rained on, so we're going to bring them in and put them in the shed. So that way they're under a roof. All this out here can pretty well get rained on, I guess. Most of this out here is oats, and it's not too high yielding. Basically, we just went through to cut it off because we weren't going to harvest the oats off of it anyway. And maybe in August or so, once the hay's all grown up, maybe then we'll take a cutting off of it like we did over at Rockville last year. But this hay actually turned out pretty good quality out in the pasture, and then over the hill here. It was pretty high quality stuff, so I'm kind of just waiting around for Travis to finish up, and then we're gonna head out. Well, we went ahead and we hauled in the 2 strips out at my place out in the field that were hay. The reason we did this is because it's supposed to start raining tonight sometime after midnight, which is in 30 minutes. It's 11:30 now. And the reason we don't want the good quality hay to get rained on is because as you feed it over winter, you know, the higher quality stuff lasts longer. The cows eat more of it. They don't kind of reject as much of it, and there's more nutrients there for when they actually need it. So better quality hay is always better. We just decided that we'd come out here and haul them in. That way they didn't get rained on, and that way they were good to go, and they're there for winter. So anyway, I'm probably gonna have to wake up really early in the morning and make a video. It's 11:30 now. I'm really tired, so I'm probably just gonna go to bed. So anyway, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to check out all of our other ones. Be sure to tell a friend about How Farms Work if you enjoyed this video as well. Be sure to check us out on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat, all How Farms Work. And I'll see you next time, guys. It's Sunday, and that means it's time to announce the winner of this week's giveaway. So last week on the Cultivating with Jamie video, we had 972 unique commenters, which is the most we've had yet. That's quite a bit. And the winner of this week's giveaway is Kevin Brookhart. And he said, always enjoy your videos, and I already bought a shirt, so I'm hoping for a hat. Well, good news, Kevin. You are the lucky winner of this week's giveaway. Don't forget, everybody, if you're interested in winning a hat, leave a comment on this video, and next week we will choose a winner for this giveaway. And I'm doing this every week. I'm giving away different How Farms Work clothing every week. I've been on a streak of hats because they're the simplest. I don't have to worry about picking out sizes, especially right before the farm day like this. So, for those of you who are coming to the farm day, the last day to pre-order your tickets is on Wednesday. But don't worry, you can just come at the gate and pay there. I'm not actually sending out tickets this year. I sent out a ticket, but it's just kind of one size fits all. It's kind of like instructions to get to the farm and what to do. What we're actually doing is we're going to have a list of all the names of everybody who bought tickets, and then when you come in, just give us your name. You'll get your wristband. You'll get 2 cards for each person. You can take those cards, drop them into the giveaway boxes. You can pick what you want to enter to win. That way this year kids have a chance to win as well. Last year we just used the actual tickets, and there were no, basically the kids couldn't win anything because the parents had bought all the tickets. This way the kids have a chance too. So with that, I'll probably do a video here shortly on what kind of prizes we're doing with the farm day. I imagine that as it gets closer to next week, and I'm probably going to be posting quite a few videos. So I'm sorry if you get annoyed with all the farm day updates. It's just the name of the game. We're going to have quite a bit of stuff going on around here. So with that, I'll let you all go. Don't forget to comment down in the comments section for a chance to win a How Farms Work hat next week. And your comment can be featured at the end of our Sunday video. So thank you for watching, everybody.